The first, gather all the materials you'll need: Cat 5e or Cat 6 Ethernet cable, 2 RJ45 connector, a crimping tool, and a cable cutter. Make sure to have this ready before we begin. Step 2. Stripping the cable jacket. Cause of stripping the cable jacket. Now we'll careful strip about 1 to 2 inches of the outer jacket from one end of the cable. Be careful to avoid damaging the interval wires. Slowly remove the jacket to expose the twist wires inside. Step 3. Separating and arranging the wires. After stripping, you'll see 4 pairs of twist wires on each pair. Then arrange them according to the T568B wiring standard. Pin 1, white or orange. Pin 2, orange. Pin 3, white or green. Pin 4, blue. Pin 5, white or blue. Pin 6, green. Pin 7, white or brown. Pin 8, brown. Hold the wires close the camera. Make sure. Inserting the wires into the RJ45 connector. Now careful insert the wires into the RJ45 connector, making sure each wire goes into the correct pin slot. Double check that the order follows the T568B standard. Step 6. Crimping the connector. So, once the wires are properly positioned, use the crimping tool to secure the connector onto the cable. This step ensures the wires are firmly fixed inside the connector. Next, testing the cable. If you have a cable tester, use it now to check for connectivity. This will confirm whether the cable is correctly assembled and ready for use. And there you have it, a fully assembled straight through Ethernet cable. Remember to double check the wire order trim careful and ensure the crimp is secure for the best connection. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you.